I want to talk about something that I see you do noticeably, which is sip. Sip frequently. You're sipping now.
These are medication, Smallz.
Now let me ask you this. Now, Master P stated in an interview with Power 105.1 in New York, saying, everybody's getting high now. The syrup is killing this whole generation. Thoughts on that statement?
Say it again, Smallz.
Master P said in a statement, in an interview, everybody's getting high now. The syrup is killing this generation. Thoughts on that?
I salute Master P. I got all the respect for Master P, but that's how he feel. Syrup soothes me. You feel what I'm saying? So I don't know. I really don't know. I can't really speak on that. This my medication. This, you know what I'm saying? This will make me feel good. These my pain pills.
Now, how long have you been sipping for?
For a minute. Since high school.
Do you feel like you're addicted to sipping, or?
I'm not addicted to anything. I just like, it's just, it actually turned into a habit. It just turned into a habit now. It's just like, I like it.
Now, I've talked to a few sippers. One thing I've talked to about with people that have sipped for a while is health issues. Have you faced any health issues with sipping?
No, I ain't faced no health issues. Too high, that's it. That's the only health issue.
Okay.
Or like when you're not having it, you go through your withdrawal stages, you know what I'm saying? But I really don't know about that because I do it every day, so I don't gotta go through that.
Have you ever tried to quit sipping?
Of course. I stop every now. I don't sip every day. I just do it, you know what I'm saying? I do it and then I just freeze for like a day or two. You know what I'm saying? Let my body cleanse itself. And then, it's back to the usual.
Now, speaking with a few sippers, I hear that it's an expensive drug. How much do you think you've spent on sipping, if you could estimate it? And you said you've been sipping since high school, so if you could estimate how much you spent, what do you think it would be?
I don't know. Because I was buying the...
Have you ever thought about it?
No, I never... Man, I never even thought about that. Like, I don't know.
I've heard some wild figures.
I don't even want to put a ballpark figure out there. I don't even know, Small. I don't even know. That's a good question. You got me on that question. I don't know.
Is it worth it?
Every bit of it. I wouldn't change it for nothing.